Maybe. Where did I put my mask? Hi guys, come join us. Today we have received some new stock of our KW suspension. If you guys are not sure what KW is, I'll give you guys a quick explanation what KW is. Yeah. Alright, just to give you an example of the KW coilover system, which you guys see here. Alright, by the way, this is our operations here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just wait for a few more people to join us. Yeah, then we shall, let you guys know quickly what's happening with us over here. Yeah. Okay, at Mike's Garage, DNA Tuning here, right? And it's another long weekend for a lot of you, right? But we are operating throughout this long weekend, and we should be in operation as well. This weekend. My hair is a bit messy. It's been a long day. Yep. Got a couple of cars done. Yeah. And just organizing myself to get few more things done during the weekend. Yeah. And I cancel. Sorry, I wanted to switch that around actually. Yeah, what you see here is the KW coilover system here. Alright. Okay. And this is a V3 system. Alright. Why I call it a V3 is because it is rebound adjustable, which is at the top here, alright, where you actually use Allen key, to actually make the adjustment here, alright. And for the compression rate, it's actually here, right? Yep, you can adjust the compression rate here. Okay. Alright. So that you can adjust, in the high speed how the car feels. Yeah? Alright. And this is the KW V3. This is not the highest spec, but it's the highest spec for road use. Okay. KW V3. As you can see here, KW does have a wide range of coilover system. Alright. And we have the performance for road use coilover system. They have the V1, V2 and the V3 system. Okay. And then you have the street comfort system, for people that is looking for a more comfortable ride. They do have what we call a street comfort system. Alright. And for the track junkies, okay, we have what we call the Club Sport system as well. Yeah. Okay. As you can see here, this is the Club Sport system, and this is very popular for guys that are doing track days. Okay. Why? Because we got linear springs with this. Yeah. In comparison to a street comfort system, where you got a variable rate spring, and so does the coilover system as well. The V1 to V3, it's also usually it's a variable rate spring. Yeah. All right. And going over this side, we got the DCC coilover system as well. Where it actually links up to your car original coilover. The original suspension system, so that you can adjust it. In the car itself. All right. But what they have done is KW. They have their own app as well, where you can use your phone to adjust it as well. So that's fantastic. Okay. And then we have the hydraulic lift system as well. Yeah, as you can see here, the hydraulic lift system, where you can lift up the car. And these are usually for the supercars like Ferraris, Porsches, and Lamborghinis. Alright. And then we have the competition system as well, you know, with the additional reservoir. Okay. So they have a wide variety of system in with the KW coilover system. Alright. And if you guys are not sure where KW is coming from, where it's manufactured, you know, and where it's engineered, is actually all done in their factory in Germany. Alright, and they are the only suspension manufacturer that actually has a 7-post coilover system, you know. Alright, and as you can see here, it's a made in Germany system, and also it's they actively participate in the WC's World Touring Car Championship. You know, they are 24-hour winner at the Nürburgring. You know, of course, TUV approved. Alright, and just very quickly here, just wanted to show you how a KW V3 system comes packed. Yeah? This is some of the new stock that we have just got, you know, both the ST and the KW system. Alright, I will run through with you guys on the ST system shortly. Yeah? Alright, as you can see here, this is the KW V3 which we have brought in for a client. And this is for the Toyota Alphard, yeah. Alright, the new Toyota Alphard. Alright, yes, let me show you here quickly. Alright, I just haven't fully unpacked it, but just to show you, yeah. Okay. Alright, it comes with a very nice toolkit. Okay, a KW toolkit they call it. Okay, let's see what's in there. Okay, they have a very nice catalog in here. Yep. Very nice catalog in here, stickers, you know, so that you can let people know what's in your car. Alright, those are the stickers there, and of course it's all by KW Automotive. Yeah, alright, V3, as you can see here. Okay, and you know, all the adjustments, how many clicks you can go. Alright, on the coilover system. Okay. And then we do have the instructions as well. You know, we coilover system, the installation, you know, is extremely important. You know, the setup. All right, it's not just an installation, but we call it a setup here over in Mike's garage here. All right, as you can see, we have the very nice wrenches here. All right, the adjusters for the rebound rate. All right. With KW, they love their purple color. Yeah, you know, this is their signature purple color. All right. Let me show you here. Right. They have a little pin here. Okay. That is again to lock the spring purchase. All right. Okay. Look, that toolkit is brilliant. Looks so nice. Okay. Alright, yes, let me close that. Okay, just let me close that and that aside. Alright. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Yeah. Okay. Yep. This is the KW system here for the Alphard, right? Okay, let's see. Wow, look at that finishing, yeah, by KW. V3 system, so nice. Yeah. Alright, these are the rear springs here. Yeah. Okay, this is unboxing here, you know, the KW system. Okay, there's another rear spring there. Okay, just get that out of the way. Look at it, so nicely packed up. Alright, yeah. That is the front springs here, yeah, for the Alphard, yeah, and Velfire. Alright, as you can see here, and look at that finishing, yeah. Let me bring out one of the shots here. Yeah. That's what the KW is all about. Yeah. Look at that finishing. Look at that. Alright, let me turn that around. Okay, now you guys can see it. Yeah. Look at that finishing. You know, this body here is all fully stainless steel, yeah? So it won't rust, you know, during its lifetime. Yeah, all of this is so beautiful. Yeah. Alright, and you can see these are for adjusting the compression. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Over here at Mike's Garage, what we do is we will set up your car for the very first time, you know, and it usually takes us about 2 days to do that. You know, we'll set it up properly, you know, give it for test runs, set up the height, you know, and then after that I will make adjustment, the initial adjustment for you to drive for about a month, you know, then you come back to us, I will reset the height if needed, and I will do the compression and as well as your rebound settings, you know, for this system. Yeah, which is very, very important. Alright, let us put that out of the way and I'll show you the front strut. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, that's the front strut. Alright, let me take that out. Hang on. Yeah. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, I just want to show you guys how good the welding is here. Alright, look at that, so beautiful. Yeah, look at that. The whole finishing of this, so shiny and nice. Yeah, component that's so nicely made has no right to be in a car suspension, right? But that's what KW does. Yeah. Okay, that's the KW V3 system. Yeah, alright. Yeah. And what I can tell you from my experience, you know, installing and actually using this system is that, you know, the ride on the KW system is just phenomenal. Alright, unlike anything else in the marketplace, you know, and you know, it is really meant for road use, not track use. You know, a lot of people says that the suspension, you know, if you run a coil over suspension, you know, your ride is going to be so bad, you know. But I beg to differ. You know, if you can set it up properly with a proper suspension that has been set for road and not track, you know, you still can have a very, very good ride. Yeah, and at the same time have excellent ride and handling. You know, it will definitely improve the ride and handling of your Alphard if you see the system here. Yeah. Alright, and if you want to know more about these coilover systems, you know, give us a call, yeah, or drop us a line on our Facebook, yeah, and with the ST system, let me show you here, yeah, okay, with the ST system, it's slightly different from the KW system here, alright. Just let me open up one box here. Okay, let me pull that up. Alright, let me see which this is for which car. Yeah? Okay, this is for a BMW E60. One of my clients have ordered this. Alright, just let me show you the difference here. Alright, okay. Alright, let me get my cutter. Ian, can you give me a cutter? Yeah. Just going to show you guys, you know, the ST coilover system. Yeah, alright, I'm going to unbox it myself. Okay, here we go. Okay, ST is a sub brand of KW. Yeah, you know, they make excellent coilover system as well, and basically they are based on the alright, got Sean there helping me now. From two lights, you guys. Here we go. Okay, that is SD suspension system here. Alright. It's not as elaborate as the KW system that you guys see there. You know, you get a simple instruction like that. You know, but then what do you expect? It's half the price. of a KW-V3. You know, this is a ST-XA system. Yeah, all right, made by KW as well. You know, engineered by KW. You know, all the shockers are also made by KW. Right. You see what we got in here? We got the adjuster here. Okay, the adjuster for the rebound rate. Okay, this one doesn't have the compression setting. Adjust the compression setting. Okay, this is the system for the E60. Alright. Yeah, just let me show you very quickly here. Okay, to adjust the rebound rate on this one, okay, you know, we use this here to adjust the rebound rate. Yeah. Okay. We can set it harder or softer, you know, just by turning this, you know, by putting this in here. Alright, as you can see here. Okay, and if you can look at it here, yep, this one has the helper springs, yeah, you know, for the E60. It depends on the cars, you know, some has the helper springs like you see here, and also the actual springs, you know, to keep the car upright. Okay, so you know, this is the ST system. As you can see here, the big major difference between an ST and a KW system is actually the body. Alright, this body is galvanized steel, yeah, okay, in comparison to the KW, which is stainless steel. Okay, a stainless steel body. Alright, and of course the KW has the compression rating as well. I mean the compression, you can change the compression settings on the suspension as well, yeah. Okay. Alright, so this is the ST system for BMW E60. So we not only do new cars, you know, we actually tune suspensions for the older generation cars as well. Alright, and you know, if you guys want to know more about ST or KW system, you know, give us a shout, you know, at our Facebook, you know, and also you can find us at Google as well, you know, at dnatraining.my. You know, this is the Facebook channel, yeah. And if you guys want to know more about our suspension, you know, I'll start doing more and more videos, especially for the suspension system and our tuning, yeah, you know, DNA tuning, and also the ST and KW suspension system. Alright, and you guys can look me up at my Facebook Mike Yap, and also my YouTube channel Mike Yap as well. Yeah. Alright, have a great evening, guys. You know, if you want to know more about the suspension, send us a PM. Alright, or give us a call. Yeah, you know, from our Facebook. Alright, guys. Good evening, you know, and then I'll catch up with you guys again on my next live video. Alright, take care, cheers, bye.